Hello guys, my name's Andrew. I am back on YouTube and I thought I would start making YouTube videos again just because, I don't know, I got bored and I think it'd be something fun to do. I thought to start out I would make a video of my gaming setup because I used to do those a lot when I used to do YouTube. I just kind of every year do another video of what my setup looks like. So if we start over here, I have a Guitar Hero guitar because I enjoy playing Guitar Hero, so that's exciting. Here's my keyboard and mouse. Pretty simple, pretty basic. They are both wireless, which is really nice. I just like having wireless stuff. There's my speakers, which are like the highest quality speakers I've ever used. They're really nice. And I also have my two subwoofers down here. A couple of big boys. They're chonky boys. They get the job done for the small room. PS4 controller, which is wired to my computer. A really high quality monitor I just got that's 144 hertz, so it's super duper smooth when you're playing games or whatever on it. I've noticed it's really smooth just like scrolling through the internet. If we go over here, it's a lamp. It's a pretty nice lamp. I mean, it's a lamp, so it's got two USB hubs, which is really great. I've got a dual charger on one of them. Yeah, really amazing, great quality. I've got a microphone, which hopefully I'll be using. What's over here? My old phone, a GoPro, some PS4 games, PS2 games in the back, a PS2 down there. So nothing exciting down there. Here's my PC, which I just built probably like a month ago. And once I built this, I pretty much never have used my PS4 ever again. So it's really great. You can't really see much in there because I don't have a lot of like LED lights, but I'll put like a list of the specs in the description. Not anything exciting, but like I said, here's the cable that connects to my controller. This is like the little dongle thing for the Guitar Hero controller. The audio cable, which is fucking massive for some reason. I don't know why it's so fucking long. Just connects to my stereo, which is right here. Stereo, which also says fuck on it, which is my favorite word, so fuck yeah. The box for my RAM, some money, big money things. Over here we've got my keyboard, which I got for like $7 at Goodwill like 2 years ago, and it works great. It gets the job done, makes noises. Because I do make music. I like producing music for fun. Headphones, pretty good quality, decent headphones. And that's about it for like my whole setup here. I mean, I got another Guitar Hero controller, some Coors Light. I mainly play a lot of Rocket League, so you can expect a lot of Rocket League. So I hope you like Rocket League. I don't know if I still have subscribers on this channel or not or what, but I'm just gonna kind of start fresh and just kind of mess around. So we'll see what happens. Hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully you will see more from me.